Hello, I'm Gopi Jugmahan, and I want to thank you for choosing Verizon, America's best network. This brief video will explain some important details for today's installation. Let's begin. When your technician arrives, they will conduct a pre-job survey to identify any safety hazards. Prior to doing any work, the technician will meet with you to review your requested services and ensure we have your consent before moving forward. Depending on the complexity of the installation, please keep in mind that the technician may be in your home for a couple of hours. Next, the technician will determine the optimal location to place your ONT, optical network terminal. The ONT will be installed either on the outside or inside of your home, and for MDU residents, typically within a closet inside the residence unit. For our MDU customers or multiple dwelling units or apartment buildings, please be sure to check in with your building superintendent prior to the technician's arrival, as this helps avoid delays related to access challenges like closed communication rooms and basements. For single-family units, SFUs, if you are not the owner or primary decision maker, please be sure to check in with one of them prior to the technician's arrival, as this helps avoid delays related to access challenges like closed blocks. We will need access to backyards and driveways. We may need access to your neighbor's yard to connect your service to your assigned network terminal. Please ensure there is a clear pathway for the installation of Verizon's equipment, both within and outside of the residence or business. There's always a chance that we could use your existing wiring and it may be required to drill during the installation. Please keep in mind that the technician may need to leave your premise on occasions to make connections at other locations. Once your technician has identified the optimal pathway for installation, they will use your existing wire in your home or run new ones to connect you and your services, which includes voice, data, and video. For voice customers, your technician will wire your existing phone jacks to your new ONT. Before leaving the home, your technician will make sure that your phone lines can successfully dial out and receive calls and ensure that if multiple lines were installed, that each is working in every room of your home. For data customers, your technician will determine the optimal location for your router and Ethernet wire to provide you with the most efficient speeds and signals for your home. Before leaving your house, your technician will make sure that you have the proper Wi-Fi passwords and that all your devices have been set up properly. They will also walk through every room in your home to ensure that the Wi-Fi is working in each space. Under certain circumstances, your technician may recommend one of our Wi-Fi extenders to provide you with better internet coverage throughout your home. For video customers, your technician will determine the optimal location to run the coax wires and connect them to your set-top box. Before leaving the home, your technician will make sure that your set-top boxes are powering on and off and ensure there is no pixelation on any screen, and are displaying the same number of channels in every room that is included in your package.
Once you receive the welcome email, please complete the terms of service. This will allow you to utilize the My Verizon app to access your account and explore the different features of your service. The My Verizon app can be downloaded from Google Play or the Apple Store.
So as a quick recap, please ensure there is access to telecom rooms and backyards to avoid installation delays. Upon arrival, the technician will perform a pre-job survey to determine hazards and equipment placement. The technician will review and confirm your service order with you. Before leaving, your technician will confirm that your service and devices are working properly. Once your installation has been completed, you will receive an automated phone call to address any immediate concerns. If you have any questions after the installation, please refer to the Verizon Welcome Package, where you will find instructions on Wi-Fi connectivity, product maintenance, and troubleshooting. Have a great day, and thank you for choosing Verizon.